everybody. This is Cindy and Keith here. We're going to be spinning the wheel to pay forward the prize that we received in last year's Blackwoods Blizzard Tour for our fundraising efforts, which wouldn't happen without the support of all the people whose names are on here. We thank you guys so very much. It is truly appreciated, the support that we have received. This year, we're giving away a 6-piece DeWalt cordless tool set. And here we go to spin. And
good luck, everybody.
Yes, good luck.
Thanks for helping out.
This is the second time we're spinning. Actually, the first time the people that won didn't have any use for the tool, so they asked that we throw it back in. And now the winner is going to be Glenn. So we will give Glenn a call and let him know that he won the tools. We thank you guys again so very much for your continued support and hope everybody's doing well. Thank you.
Bye.